Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to create custom music for your YouTube videos using AI. You don't need any kind of expensive software for that or composing skills. AI can do it all for you. So there are several AI tools you can use to generate music. For example, Aiva, Sounddraw, Boomi, MuVert, etc. So let's use Aiva for this one. You can go to any web browser and type in Aiva and hit enter, and you'll be finding this AI of the AI music generation assistant. You can also use this one right here and create a free account or log in if you're not logged in. So this site right here is a very powered composer designed for creators AI tool, so you can legally use the tracks in your videos. So you can click on this option of create a track here, look out for the create track option and select one of those. And once you select one of those, you can select your music type, your style, chord progression, step by step, or import MPDI. So let's pick up from a style, and there you'll be finding different style. You can choose cinematic, pop-up, any of the one that you prefer. So I'm just going to use this one right here, Epic Orchestra, and you can select this key right here, duration and the number of compositions, and select this option of create tracks. Once you do so, you just need to wait for a few seconds, and once you're okay with it, you can match the music style with the tone of your video. For tutorials, calm or upbeat music works best, so you can just go and choose the one that you do. And just click on compose and you will be finding the automatically generated new AI music track for your chosen style and mood. You can preview the track and see if it fits your video. And if that does not, you can generate multiple versions to pick the best one. And once you're satisfied with it, you can look out for the download option, click on three dot, and if you find the download option, you can download it or also share it, import the music to your video editing software, and you can adjust the volume so that it blends with your voiceover or the main audio. And that's it. With AI tools, you can generate professional sound and music for your YouTube videos in minutes. So if this video helped you out, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials.